Hi guys, welcome to your channel, Travel Buddies. How are you today? Did you watch the previous video? How did you like it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, I know it's gonna get boring if I say it all the time, but I apologize. I just have to mention a couple things at the beginning of every single video. First, I'd like to thank you for your support and for your like and subscribe. It means the world to us. That's all we ever need, and you do it. Second, you have to know that we dedicate this channel, we created this channel only to show the reality of this country, of Iran, to show around the neighborhoods, the areas, how people live their lives, the culture and the traditions. We dedicate this channel just for this goal. This is the only reason, to show the true colors of this country, and mostly the capital, but we try our best to travel around the country to show you multiple cities. We do not engage in political and religious activities and issues. We are not qualified enough to even give a statement of that matter. So thank you for respecting and honoring our decisions and not going in those fields. But some people have been unkind and they've been giving hate speech and obvious violence activity and statement. We do not tolerate that. We will act against it if it's towards us or one of our beloved subscribers in the comments. So please be aware that it will be condemned. What you see in these videos is our best effort, but honestly, we will try more and more to give you a better version every day. But what you see is what media doesn't want you to see. If you read the comments, you can understand that some people didn't even know that Iran looks like this, which is a really happy thing for us. We're grateful that we could give this information worldwide. As I've said before, Iran is a country in the Middle East, but it used to be the greatest empire in the world called Persia. But now it's just a little country in the Middle East, and it has a population of 80 million people, and the capital, Tehran, contains 10% of that population, which is a lot because Tehran is not the biggest city in Iran. Like Mashhad and Isfahan are so big in surface and space. They only contain about 3 million or 2 million, but Tehran contains about 8.5 million, which is really a lot, which also makes the capital polluted, and there's always traffic. You will not get anywhere at the exact time you're promised. Trust me on this, I've always been late for work. And fun fact is, just not because of the dollar rate that prices have been rising each day, but because it's the capital. For example, for the amount of you can rent a place in the capital, you may be able to buy a house in another city, which is crazy, I know. But all in all, I love Tehran. And I've said it before, I love the East more than West. I know West is like a little bit modernized, but East, it has saved its texture of, the previous era. And I like that. People are more warm-hearted, I think. It's just warm, the atmosphere, it's warm. But let's not forget about Tehran nightlife. Imagine Tehran is a beautiful city. You don't have to imagine. Tehran is a beautiful city. But think of it at night. It's a totally different place. Like, it's more lively. Buildings have so many lights. I used to call it a little New York. I know it's not compatible, but it's like that. It's a lively at night with lots of light, and the streets are bright. People are outside, the working hours are over, the school time is over. Teenagers, kids, families, they go out to spend time together, buy ice cream, buy dinner, go shopping. People go in friend groups and people go for dates. It's more lively because in the morning people are usually either at work or either at school or university. You see people outside, but mostly because they have to work for something outside. They're looking for something, or they're going to some place from another. But at night they're just out to live, and I really enjoy that. Doesn't matter if it's east or west, north or south. In all Tehran, it's like a tradition. At night, it's just something else. There's so many cafes and restaurants and fast food and takeaways. At night, they sell a lot more than they do at noon for lunch or brunch. Even the parks are open. Everything is open in the morning. The parks, the malls, the shopping centers, the stores, everything is open. But since people are at work and school, as I said, they're not crowded enough. But at night, in the afternoon and evening, and at night, the street times is so crowded, and it doesn't bother you. It's not like that crowded at the end of the year near the New Year's Eve. When the bazaar is so crowded, you can't even find whatever you need. You can't even walk. No, it's like crowded, and you can enjoy it. You see people. So yeah, I think Tehran's nightlife is something else. Well, I think that's enough for me. Enjoy the rest of the video and share your thoughts in the comment section. All the love.
گوشید آهنگ گذاشته.
یا